Hi everyone. Today we are looking at Acer Nitro 5 2022 edition. Let's unbox and check the contents. These are the box contents that we get with the laptop. And here we have the charger. Let's check the voltage of the charger. It's 180 watt. And we have the laptop and some manual. Let's check the ports of the laptop. On the left side we have a 3.5 mm jack, 3.2 USB port, LAN port, air exhaust and Kingston lock. On the right side, we have two 3.2 USB ports and an air outlet. On the right side, we have the power port, USB-C port, and an HDMI port. We also have two air outlets here. We can check the CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, and the GPU. Current variant I have has RTX 3050 4GB RAM variant. And let's also check the TDP value of the graph card. This is just an unboxing video. If you guys want here we can see that the maximum TGP is 95.